Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video with KK's Kitchen and more. What a guan! Today I want to share with you my recipe for the best mashed potato you will ever make. Here I have 2 pounds of Irish potatoes. I am going to peel the potatoes and come right back. Welcome back to all my beautiful subscribers. Welcome back. I see you, I appreciate you coming back. And to all those that are watching me for the very first time, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to this video, and remember when you subscribe to turn on the notification bell so you can get my video as they are out. After peeling the potatoes, washing the potatoes, remember I always said to you, keep the potatoes in water so it will keep the color nice and pretty. Okay? If you just peel it and leave it in the air, the color will change. So after peeling, keeping them in the water, I am going ahead to dice the potatoes. And I'm going to try and do them on one size for even cook. Here I have my pot on the stove. I am putting in some salt and I'm going in with my potato in the cold water. Okay? And then I'm going to cover to cook. And here I am testing to see if my potato is ready. Once the potato is ready, we are going to remove it from the stove and we are going to go ahead and strain the water from the potato. Okay, after doing that, I am going in now to put my potato together. So I'm going in with some butter, about half stick of butter. I am using my potato masher and I'm going to mash this potato as fine as I possibly can with the butter. Okay, so the butter is melting in while I am crushing. Here I am going in with some cow's milk. You can use heavy cream if you want to. I am not putting in all at once. I am putting in and checking because I want it to be creamy, but I don't want it to be too watery. Okay, so I will put and check as I go along. After using the milk to my satisfaction, I am going in now with some mayonnaise. Some person use the butter and the mayonnaise. Some use the butter and the cream. I am using the butter, the cream, and the mayonnaise to get that creaminess that I am looking for, that texture that I am looking for, that will give me the best taste. So I'm mixing up now, and I am going to taste. Remember, as I always tell you before, whenever you're cooking, you must taste your food. Taste your food, okay? See if it need anything else. This is the basic way of making this potato. You can go ahead and you can do whatever you want, put whatever you want to tweak it to your taste and satisfactory. This is the basic, this is the must have, and then you can expound on it. So here I am serving my mashed potato, the best mashed potato you will ever make. I would love you to try this recipe and leave a comment in the comment section. Here I'm going in with some melted butter. Guys, when you make this mashed potato, please come back to leave a comment in the comment section, because I know that you will enjoy it. Here I'm going in with some thyme leaves just for decoration. When you taste this, you will never make your mashed potato any other way. And you can couple this with any side of your choice. So I will be pairing my mashed potato with my garlic butter shrimp. The last video that I put out, I will leave the link on top for the recipe of my garlic butter shrimp. This is a perfect pair, perfect pairing. And so I want you to try both recipe, the potato, mashed potato, and the garlic butter shrimp, and leave me a comment. And for more recipes like these, I want to encourage you to subscribe, to like and share the video. And remember, when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can get my videos as they put out. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great day. God bless you. Walk good.